Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car. Put it in park, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off so electronics won't move the latch. Reach down to the driver's footwell and pull the interior hood release lever. You'll feel resistance, then a click. Once done, step forward and place one hand on the hood edge while you go to the front. This prevents the hood from springing unexpectedly. Make sure the hood pop is audible before moving to the next step. You now stand at the front center and slide your fingertips under the hood's leading edge to find the secondary safety latch. Press or slide that latch toward the passenger side. Some Panameras use a lever, others a tab, until the hood clears the catch. Lift the hood with both hands using a controlled motion to avoid banging. If the hood is heavy, use a helper. Once lifted, locate the gas struts or prop rod. Make sure they engage fully so the hood stays up while you work. You finish by securing the hood in the open position. If your Panamera has gas struts, ensure they hold. If it uses a prop rod, seat it into the bracket firmly so the hood won't fall. To close, lower the hood gently until it's within a few inches, and then drop it from about 6-8 inches to seat the latch. Don't slam. If the hood won't latch or release smoothly, spray a light lubricant into the latch. Cycle the interior and exterior releases 5 times.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.